Immobiliser fitting. Today we're down at Aston Martin work securing this brand new 2024 Aston Martin DB12. So if a thief got this key and went to steal the vehicle, it's just not going to start. As you see, the vehicle doesn't start. The customer can choose from either a push sequence or just having a Bluetooth tag. So if we pop the battery in the tag, now we try and start the vehicle. We hear that disarm tone and the vehicle's going to start. There we go, vehicle's running, just simply by having the battery and the Bluetooth tag. We take the battery out, we want to use a push sequence, or this battery's gone flat, you've forgotten the tag at home, but you need to drive the vehicle. What you'll do, keep your foot off the brake, we'll turn the ignition on, we'll do a code of 1, 2, 3. Hear a disarm tone, and we can start the vehicle and drive. Put it into gear, drive away. When you leave the vehicle, the system becomes active. So if I try and start it now, the battery's out of the tag. We don't have a code. If a thief's got the key and goes to steal the vehicle, it's just not going to start up. As you see, the vehicle's not starting. If it does eventually start, it will start and stall, and they'll be unable to drive it away. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit, and it's a brand new 2024 Aston Martin DB12. Thanks for watching.